Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RYK Tech. So guys, a lot of iPhone users reporting that assistive touch button not moving on screen since updating the new version of iOS 16. So guys, here I will show you how to fix this issue. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first solution is go to your settings, go to accessibility, tap on touch and tap on assistive touch. So guys, tap to turn this off. So after turning this off, wait for 13 seconds and then turn it back on. After turning back on, go back. So the second solution is reboot your device. So first of all, restart your device. So slide the right side and restart your device. So after restarting your device, so wait for few seconds and turn it back on. So after restarting your device, and the last method is guys, hard restart your iPhone. So guys, how can we hard restart our iPhone? So I have iPhone XS. So for iPhone XS, you need to press power button, volume up and volume down button at the same time. So it will hard reset your iPhone. So here is the fix for your assistive touch issue on your iOS 16 version. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.